walang graba na nilagay sa kalsada. Kaya medyo ingat po tayo kasi walang graba nilagay, medyo slippery po.
Yeah, we were sliding right there. What are you doing?
So madulas po yung kalsada.
People are coming out of this place.
Right, they're supposed to stop and let people in, no?
May traffic.
It's winter and there's no sand on the road.
Very dangerous po kasi walang sand.
So you lay sand down, then it gets grippy.
So kung ang sasakyan mo ay hindi mo pa napalitan ng gulong, yung winter tire na tinatawag dito, so dapat ka talagang mag-ingat kasi talagang madulas yung sasakyan mo. Iba kasi yung yung tire ng summer, iba rin yung sa winter.
There's some people that still have their summer tires.
Yeah, Naalala ko po nung hindi pa ito yung sasakyan namin, yung isa pang yung pula dati. Di pa kami nakapag-change ng ng tire, ng winter tire. Tapos ang daming snow. Alam nyo ba, nakakahiya kasi ang daming sasakyan sa likuran namin kasi nga nag-cause kami ng traffic. Very traffic po, daming sasakyan kasi yung sasakyan namo madulas sa parang mapupunta palagi sa sa ditch ba. So talagang kinakabahan ako ng sobra, as in. Kasi talaga yung sasakyan mawawala siya sa talagang gumaganon-ganon siya sa gilid. Nakakatakot po. Babe, I want to buy like a dash cam.
Yeah, you should say that. Can you get a cash cam? Can you get cash?
Dash cam ba?
Cash cam. Bling, bling, cash. Not Johnny Cash.
So, alas 4:30 pa lang ng hapon dito. Tapos, tingnan nyo, madilim na po. Medyo madilim na.
These things for one thing.
Ha?
Oddball shape. Just make them straight. The shapes of them.
Hey.
Oh, oddball shape. So every time you're going to take one, they're hooking together. They want to fly everywhere. They
Yeah.
pick it up.
I know.
You can't take more than like 3 or 4 at a shot.
Gustong-gusto ko itong kinakain namin kasi very soft. Para siyang cotton. May magandang decoration nito. Yan. Ito rin may maganda. 5 centimeter lang daw yung snow, pero parang sobra ng 5 centimeter. Hindi nyo na halos makita yung mukha ko. Pero di ako nakabili ng breadcrumbs. Nahulog. Ayaw ko ang ilaw ng sasakyan na ganun, oh. Hindi pala makikita. Sobrang sakit sa mata. Ay, ay, ay. I'm done, Pep. This is the last. What?
Well, we can't shut it off completely.
I just low a little. So, nakikita ninyo yung ano, yung ilaw ng sasakyan sa likod. Sobrang ano, sakit sa mata. Da, 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 dan. So tomorrow you start your first break.
Well, I can't come here right away tomorrow?
No, Julia, you dropped Julia.
Yeah, I don't know what time. Nobody told me what time it is.
It's 9. She started 9, I think.
Okay, they know at work?
Yeah, I told to Alex already.
9, eh?
So you can drop here a little bit early, then you start your work like after your first break.
My first break is 8:30.
Yeah.
My second break is 10:30. My lunch.
Yeah, your first break you can because very important the school is open so she can enter the
Yeah, well, I'm not gonna drop her there an hour early though either. Like after my first break, I'll drop her there. Basically, at around 8:30ish.
What is that, baby? Okay, the cleaner may naglilinis po sa kalsada. Ayan. Yan, naglilinis po sa kalsada.
I'm shocked the cleaner had for that little bit of snow.
Slippery there.
I don't know where I was. I had to get gas because we were going uphill a bit. I wonder what it'll be like at our place. I'm done.
Dito po maraming baby. Yung mga baby na iniiwan pag may pasok, may trabaho yung parents. Doon nilalagay yung mga bata nila. snow. Yan, malapit na po kami sa amin.
Snow that came out the drain and hit the window right here.
Oh, still thick. Oh my god. Ah. Oh. Oh, almost there. You scared me.
I don't want to miss it. I'm going up. I don't care.
Oh. Is slippery there?
Don't know.
I don't know. But it's still lots of
I wasn't
snow.
taking a chance. That's why I said I went fast. I'll screw around. I want to get up. Well, I knew our cleaner guy wouldn't come. That's for sure.
Can you hold please first?
As a matter of fact, is it tomorrow we gotta pay them?
Yeah.
Yeah, and they didn't even give me the address yet.
The
Address, you know.
it's okay. We
Yeah,
call.
we need to go to the bank too.
Why?
We gotta get the money.
Just withdraw to
Oh,
the
that's true, yeah.
just 750.
What time does she finish her school? I mean, it's
No,
5 hours,
Saturday,
eh?
babe. It's 7. Saturday.
Oh, 7 is Saturday. Okay, I did.
I see that 7. Oh my God. Ano ba yan? Ay, ako'y nahihirapan sa tumangkalisod. Ay, ayan. Andito na po kami. Yan. Ay, nako. Bye! Thank you for watching.